Good morning, students. Welcome back to the conversation class. I hope you all are doing good. Children, in previous class, we studied what is conversation and how one can start a conversation. I hope you all have understood that much. Let's do a quick recall. Firstly, we discussed. Do you remember what did we discuss? We discussed how to introduce yourself. How can you introduce yourself? See, by saying, "Hi, I am so and so." In this way, you can introduce yourself. Children, it is always better to be the first to approach. You can also say, "How are you? Good to see you," and so on. Another way of starting a conversation is to talk about weather. Like, today it's so hot. We can also start a conversation by giving a compliment like, "I like your watch." So in this way, children, you can start a conversation. This we studied in the previous class. So let's start today's class by continuing where we left. Children, suppose you are at your friend Rohan's birthday party and there are many people whom you don't know, and you are sitting next to someone whom you haven't met before. So how are you going to start a conversation with him? See, how will you start a conversation? You can simply say, "Hello, I am so and so." Then you can say, "How do you know Rohan?" And while you are discussing about people in common, you discover that you both have a few other friends in common and you didn't knew about this before. So you can say, "What a small world it is, and I think now we are not strangers anymore." In this way, you can continue your conversation. See, now we will discuss the other way of conversation. Asking for people's opinion is another great way to start a conversation. So you can ask them. See, if you want to know any other person's opinion, how can you converse with the other person, and how are you going to know his opinion? You can ask them, "What do you think about the weekend plan?" Or, "What are your thoughts?" Or, "What is your opinion?" Or, "What is in your mind about the weekend?" Or, "What do you say?" Children, if you need someone's help, it is the wrong way to just go to the person and say, please help me with so and so. So, what is the right way to know or to ask for help? Before you ask someone for help, you should check whether they are free or not by saying, do you have a minute? I would like to discuss something with you. Or you can say, may I have a word with you? Or do you have some time to spare with me? For I want to discuss something with you. So this is the right way to know whether the person is free to help you or not. In this way you can converse with the other person and know whether he is free or not. Children, if you see someone carrying a heavy bag or just a lot of things and you want to help that person, you can approach by saying, can I give you a hand? Now children, don't misunderstand this. Here you are not actually giving your hand. It's just a way of offering help. You may also say, may I help you with the bags? Or would you like some help? Now, if you want to suggest someone that you want to head out or go out for a quick lunch with them, you can say, let's grab lunch or coffee, or let's grab some lunch, or let's go for a lunch, or let's go get a quick bite to eat. In today's class, we will discuss till here only. I hope you all must have enjoyed and learned some new and interesting ways of conversation. Please do use it in your daily life because practice will make you perfect. Stay safe. Goodbye. Thank you.